Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Under the home mortgage points deduction, mortgage loan interest is tax deductible if you itemize. The deduction applies for up to $1 million for loans that you used to improve the home or buy a new home. Purchases made after this date can only deduct interest on $750,000 of the home acquisition debt.
Take our lead.
You can only deduct closing costs for a mortgage refinance if the costs are considered mortgage interest or real estate taxes. Closing costs are not tax deductible if they are fees for services, like title insurance and appraisals.
Take our lead.
The tax return documents required for a purchased house. Form 1098. IRS Form 1098 reports the amount of mortgage interest you paid during the year. Property tax statement. You can deduct the property tax you paid during the year and any prorated property taxes you paid at closing. Settlement statement. Mortgage credit certificate.
Take our lead.
For most people, the biggest tax break from owning a home comes from deducting mortgage interest. For tax year prior to 2018, you can deduct interest on up to $1 million of debt used to acquire or improve your home.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
7 tax benefits of buying a home. Mortgage interest deduction, mortgage points deduction, state and local taxes deduction, home office deduction, standard deduction, residential energy credit, tax-free profits on your home sale.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Home improvements on a personal residence are generally not tax deductible for federal income taxes. However, installing energy-efficient equipment on your property may qualify you for a tax credit, and renovations to a home for medical purposes may qualify as a tax-deductible medical expense.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
There are no tax deductions for making improvements to a residence or paying for a home with cash. That may not seem fair when compared to homeowners who get to deduct the cost of their mortgage interest and purchase points. However, not having a mortgage allows you to save a huge amount of money.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.